Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and Tudia is back in the building. Hashtag another one. We got the Pixel 3 XL in the building. Tudia Merge is definitely here. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so if you guys didn't notice, the Pixel 3 XL does not have a ton of cases out there, especially one that does protection and does actually look good at the same time. So Tudia hit me up, they asked me what I got. I said I got the Pixel 3 XL, and they sent out the Tudia Merge. They were supposed to send the TAM, but they didn't send the TAM, but the Merge is definitely my favorite case because it does offer a lot of protection, has a smooth backing, and it does do it. I mean, it's very, very nice on your pocket. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Clicky buttons. That's exactly what I say in all my reviews. We got the clicky buttons, and we got the military standard drop test. So they do have new packaging. Big shout out to them. Now, I could have used a little Mickey here because you got the chair up there, but I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. So here's the case itself. You got your dummy card. And the first thing I see here is the little ridges on the side, so you get a nice grip on this. But here's what it looks. It's almost like a matte type black feel. And a matte black feel. And you do have the logo for Tudia right there in the bottom. You got a little glossy part here. Now, this gloss would have looked a lot better up top. So you have one on the bottom, one on top, but that's a definitely nice looking case. It's premium. It does actually pop off the back plate, designed in USA, made in China. So I am a big fan of their cases, especially for the price point that it comes in. So if you guys have the black one, it'll probably look a whole lot better. But here's how it looks in the white one, the clearly white Pixel 3 XL. So you guys let me know what you guys think. Let's see the buttons. You hear that? Extra clicky on deck. You do have the lip action, which is on point as well. Tudia has always been known for lip action, which is definitely on point. I do have a tempered glass on this as well. As you guys can see, everything is definitely on point. No problems here. Alright, and then if you guys are curious of how it looks from the front, this is what it looks like from the front. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Tudia Merge and the Google Pixel 3 XL. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.